Good morning. Let's start from the next question. In a given figure, two concentric circles with center O have radii 21 cm and 42 cm. If the angle AOB is 60 degree, then find the angle of shaded region. So in this question, we need to find the area of this region. So to find the area of this region, we have to find the area of whole circle, and then we have to subtract this area from this A, B, C, D region and O region, this whole region. So as we know, the area of arc of an concentric circle is pi theta by 360 capital R square minus R square, which is given here. So theta is 60 here, and we divide it by 360 because it is the whole angle of a circle, and capital R is 42 and small r is 21. So the area of an arc is 693 centimeter square. Now we have to, as we know, the area of circle is pi r square, so let's minus it from the area of circle. Pi r square minus 693, which is 4158 minus 693, which is equal to 3465 centimeter per square. This is our area of shaded region. Thank you.